I'm gonna show you how to make money online without dealing with any scams. And I'm gonna sit down at my computer right here and show you two ways of making money. One is a guaranteed way of making money doing basic tasks. And the second is a way that you can earn millions of dollars selling products online with reputable companies. How do you make money online without dealing with any scams? Because there are a lot of scams out there, and I'm going to be going over how you do this. So the first way to keep yourself from dealing with scams, if you're trying to learn how to create a business online, is dealing with reputable companies. And there's one major factor which you can use to determine if a company is reputable. Anybody can claim their company is reputable. The number one factor is this. Time in business is the number one factor that you need to be looking at in terms of dealing with reputable companies. Now, there's two basic categories of work that you can do online. And I'm going to go over one in each category. And a reputable company you can work with in each category to get you started with making just some money online. Now, the two basic categories are the following: tasks. And tasks can be just things that anybody can do. They're things that generally you'll get paid an hourly wage for. Basic work. Basic work, but you can do it online and make money doing it. The second is where you can make real money, and it's selling stuff. If you're not really looking to think and you don't have many skills, tasks are a very easy thing. But if you're looking to be more entrepreneurial and think outside the box and make, hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars even online, you'll want to learn how to sell things online. So let's go over to my computer and I'm going to show you an example of a company that works with each of these. So the first company that we're going to be looking at is Amazon. Amazon is one of the best companies that has a lot of basic tasks for you to do, whether you have skills or no skills. It's a great place to earn a lot of money, and they've been in business, again, 25 years. So very reputable company. Everybody's heard of Amazon. And second off, they've been in business since nearly the beginning of the internet. So it's a great example of a company to work for. Where you'll want to go is, and I'm going to put the link in the description, it's called Mechanical Turk. It's called Amazon Mechanical Turk. And what they do is they have what are called HITs, HITs, which are human intelligence tasks. And they have thousands and tens of thousands and even hundreds of thousands of these tasks that have gone up. And you can see right here on my screen, there's tons of stuff. Transcribe 35 seconds of media to text, market research surveys, there's opinion surveys. There's a lot of different surveys. There's a lot of different identifying photos, identifying videos, transcribing, translations. There's all sorts of tasks here. And you can see how easy it is. You just accept and work. Now, you don't make a lot of money per task. You can make something like, look, this one's 17 cents, and there's some that you make a couple dollars per task, but they don't take very long. And it's a good place to get started working online that you can make money instantly. Instantly, which is pretty crazy. So it's a good place to start. But again, you're not going to make a lot of money. Now, if you start building up your qualifications, you see some of these tasks I have to qualify for, you can make more and more amounts of money. To give you guys a little secret here, there's a Reddit community. If you're looking for the most high value tasks, there's a little Reddit community. I'm going to put the link in my description. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel if you like these little secrets. But the link for this, the most valuable human intelligence task, is in the description, and it's on a Reddit sub forum. And you can see it's listing out, some of the most valuable tasks are a behavioral survey, which takes about 5 minutes. Another survey on your opinions. So think like an astronaut. So you get all these different, they're listing out the most valuable tasks of the day because they're new tasks every day on Amazon. Now, the second category of stuff you can do is selling. So again, we talked about the two ways to make money online. TAS, you're guaranteed money. You won't make as much because it's hourly, or generally it takes your time and it's very basic. But the thing about selling products online is you could make nothing. In fact, chances are you'll probably make $0 online. Most people don't stick with it, because if you're selling products, it's on a commission-only basis. But on the other hand, you can make you could make hundreds of thousands or millions or tens of millions of dollars like I do online. Selling products online is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling somebody else's product for them and receiving a commission for that. If we go to Amazon, Amazon actually has an affiliate program too. In fact, their affiliate program is very good. If you scroll to the bottom of the page here, like I just did, you'll see this link right here in the footer. See, it says make money with us, right? And it says become an affiliate. See that? Become an affiliate. Now, if we click that, you see you can earn up to 10% of the product by advertising, by recommending somebody purchase a product on Amazon. So just for instance, I could find a book I really like. I really like this book called The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. And I could take that book and I could, I've signed up for their affiliate program. So you see the SiteStripe thing right here. So let's actually look up that book and let me show you guys how you do affiliate marketing. Fast Lane. So I searched this book. I've already signed up for their affiliate program. So I'll click their book, and what I'll do is see up there it says click get link, okay? Get link. Now I just take this link and I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna copy. And if I wanted to, I'd go to Facebook and I'd write a little bit. I'd say, hey, want to make money online? Buy this book. Buy this book and learn how. And now if anybody buys that book, I'll get, 10% commission, which means I'll make like $1, right? I'll make like $1 or $2. That's how affiliate marketing works, okay? You're not gonna make millions making $1 or $2 here and there. Amazon's obviously a reputable company, but how would you like it if I could show you companies that would pay you 75% or even 90% commissions on the products you sold for them? That's what I'm going to show you right here, and this is the main company I use to sell products online with, and it's called ClickBank. And I'm going to go over to ClickBank right now. Now, ClickBank is a company based out of Idaho, and they've been around for 21 years. So they haven't been around as long as Amazon, but to be a company in the internet space that's been around for 21 years, still pretty good, very reputable. So let's go over to ClickBank right now, and I'm going to show you this site. So ClickBank is the company I use to find products and sell products, and I have my own products on ClickBank as well. As you see right here, it says you can earn commissions as high as 75%. So they're built for people who are, selling products online. Again, would you rather make 75% of the products you sell, or would you rather make 5 to 10% like you do on Amazon? I'd rather make 75%. That's what I do. The other thing about ClickBank is you get recurring commissions. So Amazon, you can recommend products on Amazon, but they won't pay you recurring commissions. And what I love about ClickBank is you can make money over and over and over again. So you can sell a product once, but you can make money every single month. And I've been marketing for years now, and I have customers that bought a product I recommended 3 years ago that I still earn money on. Now, imagine if you had people that bought a $97 product from you and you're still earning $75 every single month. Imagine if you got a lot of those customers. You have a huge base of recurring income, which is at the point where I'm at in my career. So this is what I recommend if you're looking to make money online without any scams. I hope this has been useful for you. I hope you've seen a couple different ways of making money online with very reputable companies who have had a long time in business. And I look forward to seeing you. Make sure you guys like, this video. If you learned something, make sure you subscribe if you want to see some live streams, some special giveaways I'm going to be doing in the future. And let me know what you're going to take action on in the comments. And if you're watching this on LinkedIn, make sure to follow me there because I do new videos like this every single day.